Would you like to see the future of affiliate marketing? There is a secret affiliate model that nobody is talking about, and it's revolutionizing the way people like you, like me, are building and generating commissions through their affiliate marketing businesses. Would you like to see it? If you said yes, click on the link around this ad. I'm going to take you to a private invite-only workshop that I'm doing, where we're radically revolutionizing the way affiliate marketing is done. As a matter of fact, stop buying courses on affiliate marketing. My friend, if you're buying courses, if you're investing money trying to learn affiliate marketing right now, you're probably wasting your money because most people are doing affiliate marketing wrong. I'm about to show you a model that can help you launch your own real deal affiliate business in 7 days or less, even if you're starting from scratch and you don't have to buy a course. You don't have to try to figure this out. How do I do this? Zero overwhelm, zero complications. Where do you find products? Everything is delivered to you in a turnkey business-in-a-box solution. If you want to finally start generating commissions through affiliate marketing predictably, consistently, make sure to click on the link around this ad and check out the next workshop that I'm holding. Your life will change forever. I'll see you on the train.